Hi folks, Terry back with another video. What you're looking at is my American Flyer 4B 100 watt transformer. This video is about is what I have done to it. I got a tip from Ben over at Ben's Train on how to put a full wave bridge rectifier into one of these and then add two terminals so that you can run DC. And that is in fact what I have done. This is base for the AC, your variable 0 to 16 volt AC, and then your fixed 16 for accessories. These top two are DC out. Now, the way I did that is you just simply wire your voltage regulator in. I put it in on this side here. There's space there. You put your full wave bridge rectifier, not voltage regulator. You run the positive and negative terminals to here, and then your AC out, your AC or in terminals to the base and to the variable 16, and that will allow you to run DC. You can run HO on this, and this really works well, and so it allows you to run DC locomotives with an AC transformer. You can also, if you want, you can put a regulator into the a rectifier in the locomotive, or attach it to the lock-on. Well, I decided to do it by putting it right into the transformer. I'll give you a demonstration how this works. I got a Lionel 8040 on the layout on the track, and we'll give it a run. So, without further ado, we'll turn this on. Now, what's really nice about this is it really allows you to run these locomotives at speeds you just can't do on AC. So there we go, running around. Get it going. That's about 50%. I'm going to slow her down, and you'll see how this thing will actually crawl around the track. You do scale speeds with this, and it will just cruise like that around the track. You cannot get an AC locomotive to go this slow. It just won't happen. It will stall on the turns. You have good clean track with good connections. As I said, this locomotive will literally crawl around the track. That's what's really nice about it, and it's much quieter. Just about any AC locomotive, would be Lionel, Marks, runs much more efficient, much quieter, and just smoother running on DC. So that's what I got it doing, and you still have plenty of power. As you'll see, you can run this fast enough to jump the rail if you want. But so I just want to do a quick video on that. It marks American Flyer 100 watt 4B transformer with two DC terminals added to it, running through a full wave bridge rectifier. I want to do that, and as you see, I'll bring around stopper here. Whoops. Sorry about that. And you also still have reverse. As you see, and you can even make it cruise in reverse. Super slow. Stopper, and turn it back on, and you have, again, forward, full speed control. And this, as I said, it's really nice about this. You get these things to crawl. They just run a lot better. You just control them in ways that you cannot do on AC. You can even, like I said, you can even run a HO off of this transformer. So I just want to do a quick video on that. I hope you enjoy it. As I said, if you want to know more about adding full wave bridge rectifiers to locomotives to allow a DC locomotive to run on AC, or to convert an AC to run on DC, simply, I encourage you to check out Ben's Trains, any of his videos on it. Do a search on full wave bridge rectifiers, and they're used. And he has a lot of nice tips. I hope you enjoy my video. I'll show you the result, and thank you for watching.